This tiny little heater blows more heat than your wife when she's pissed. Why does every beautiful house always have this one room that stays cold? Because of that room, I'm having to crank the heat on the entire house just to stay warm. Instead of just throwing this away, I ended up getting me this portable heater. This tiny thing blows harder than a stripper on a Saturday night. Literally, it's so small you could fit it inside the microwave. What doesn't make sense to me is right here, it says give you a better bathroom. Tell me I can't use this in my living room or my office. What if I just want to sit on the stairs? Set this thing down and turn it on. Look at how tiny this thing is. It blows like there's no tomorrow. This little heater has been part of my daily setup.